Let's say you want to add a header on all of the pages and a footer on all of the pages. This is where you do it. Go to insert, and here's where you can add your header. So you just click on it, and you can choose the styling of how you want your header to be, whether it's 3 column, 1 column, or you want it to be a styling like this one, or a styling like that one. I'm going to choose the first one. So here you can type whatever text you want to type here. So I'm going to type the history of koalas. Okay, so I've typed that for my header, and as you can see, it is on the header of each page. And to make it remove these headers so I can get back into texting normally, I just double click on the page, and as you can see, the history of the koalas is on each and every one of my page. So there is an option if you want it to be different for your first page. So there's this option here if you want your header to be different on the first page. So if you click that option, you'll see that it's not on your first page, but it's on your other 2 pages, the rest of your pages. Now if I want my first page not to have any other header, I just click this option. Or if I want to make it just something different from the rest of the pages, then I click this option and it will be different from the rest of the pages. So you have the option there. Okay, so and you can also format your headers. You can make it center align, you can align it differently as you need to. For example, I make mine center, and if I do it for one, it's done for the rest of them. And if I go back to my header and footer and I want it to be the same in all my pages, I just uncheck that option, and my header is the same for all of the pages. And let's do it for the footer as well. So just go to footer, and I'm just going to choose this option. And it's the same option. You can toggle it if you want it to be different on the first page. And I'm gonna say brought to you by koalas.com, and then I'm gonna center this. So that's how you can add your header and footer on your pages. And you can also change the color if you want as well. You can adjust it with a different setting as needed. You can increase the font size and so forth. So that's how you do your header and footer. I hope this was really helpful for you, and I hope that with this tutorial you'll be able to take home Microsoft Word. I do have some more videos on my channel with quick tips on how to fix common issues in Microsoft Word. So if you're facing any issues in Microsoft Word, I do have some videos on my channel that you can check out and it will help you. I also have videos on other tutorials that on Microsoft Word that is really to the point and will help you learn even more about Microsoft Word. So don't be shy to check that out. And also if you're interested in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft PowerPoint, I do have videos on that. So please check out my channel, check out my other videos, like this video, give it a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. Also please subscribe and join our family. And if you have any questions, leave them up below. I'll be more than happy to help you and to respond. Also, I just want to hear from you. Just tell me hi. I want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.